Hey, here I have for you the basic troubleshooting checklist if your JBL Charge 6 it's not charging when you plug it in. So first of all, I will actually inspect the USB-C cable and the charger that you are using. So you should actually avoid some laptop ports or low wattage phone chargers. In this case, I'm using this one from Motorola and it works really good. The same for the cable. Just check if the cable is not broken somewhere, if there's no any visible damage. If there's, I can recommend you to basically switch the cable and try to charge it with some other cable. If you are using charger, then try to, for example, charge it by using your PC or basically any other power adapter. Also, you can check the USB-C port right here. So check if there's no any dust inside or something else. You know, sometimes when the speaker, when this connector detects some water, salt, or any other chemicals, it will be also stop charging. So be sure that there is no water inside, and dry it out and wait for like 12 to 24 hours until you will try to charge it one more time. When you go forward, you can also try very basic stuff. So you can try to perform a hard reset by holding play button and the volume up button at the same time when the speaker is turned on. Just like this. Now the speaker will turn on, you have to turn it on back and simply try to recharge. You can also check for some firmware glitch. So you can simply, let me just turn it off. So you can simply connect the speaker into the JBL portable application, like in my case. There's this application, the JBL Portable, and you can check for some software updates. And if nothing works, I will actually recommend you to use warranty, because probably the port is broken or something is wrong with the battery. So for sure, you can just take all of these parts and try to fix it by yourself. But first of all, I will actually decide to use warranty. So yeah, that's all.